All right, let's do this. We're taking another team. What was going to be 2 people over to the space became
the whole office?
Pretty much everyone. I promise we work if clients are watching this. We do actually work on your projects. Man, only a few weeks left. Oh gosh, I can't. Oh, takes 2 people. Crema, we collaborate to open doors together. Okay. You okay, Justin?
Thank you, George. Appreciate it.
Breaking it in. So there'll be a row of desks here where the lights are, and then a row of desks over there, and then there'll be carpet underneath all that. So it that will dampen the sound. Because like right now, I don't even know if you can hear me. It's so loud with the echo. But we'll have carpets in here and a lot more plants and greenery, so that should break up the space. So, and then couches all throughout there.
Right. Where's he going? Oh, he would.
Oh, now we're stuck. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing about the space so far?
I think it's gonna be the shower. I don't know. I don't know about the logistics.
The shower?
Yeah.
Out of all the things in this space.
I can bike into work and not feel gross the entire day.
Yes. I want to bike in, but it's a 24-mile ride for me.
My favorite part is the toilet right next to the big window.
All right, Rob, what's your favorite part?
The conference room that is practically soundproof, which is awesome.
Is it really?
Yeah, we went in there and like screamed, and everybody was like, "Are you making sound?" I really was impressed by this.
The tile work is so cool.
That's awesome.
It turned out so good. All right, gents, what's your favorite part about the new space?
The toilet next to the window.
Wood floors.
The wood floors are nice, right?
Quiet meeting room.
Yes. Justin?
Where are the marker boards going to go?
Yeah, it's a good question. The main part of this space.
You look like Benedict Cumberbatch in a period piece with your
You don't know how
neck.
good that makes me feel. 85-inch TV going here. It's massive. It's really big. And then whiteboards will be 6-foot whiteboard. 6 foot by 12. So it'll actually cover these outlets and things. So this will be the main strategy space.
And every one of these chairs is going to fit around the table. That's how big and windy the table is. Really long, really windy.
No, all these small ones will be in here. These chairs will all be desk chairs.
Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Andrew Watson, the future of Crema right here.
So last footage of Benson ever. Wow. Going to Facebook. Look at you, fancy pants.
They give you Facebook branded pants?
We'll miss you, Benson. We'll miss you.
Miss you guys.
What are we doing? Like there's already meetings happening in here.
All right, just give me a sec.
Oh, is it?
Let me just pause my move up so I can sort of listen to you. What these penguins do on a day-to-day basis is truly phenomenal.
What was that?
Answer box.
It's a robocaller. Is that what it's called? Yeah, robokiller. When you get a spam call in, it will answer with one of these bots that you choose.
Pretty excited to be in here. I lost my scarf at a certain point.
We've named the conference room
What is it?
Beyonce.
Beyonce is the conference room name? Halo. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Let's go back to the other space. Whose is this?
It works. They put it out next door when they were modeling out and cleaning everything up, and so Derek and I brought it in here, and Neil got it to work.
Yes.
So I thought I'd just cozy up next to the fire here. It's been a busy week. I can't believe it's already Thursday. So one of the things that I'm working on is as the team grows, that obviously we keep the culture. So what I'm learning as I'm having one-on-ones with each person on my team, or I'm taking opportunities just to have kind of sidebar conversations, there is always a sentiment that like, oh my gosh, Crema's amazing. I want everybody to work here that can, and there's just an enthusiasm about Crema. And I always follow up with saying, well, why? What is it about this place? And like, somewhat of it is that we get to work on really cool projects, but they all come back to say it's about the people and the culture. And that's just something I'm constantly reminded of, is the people and culture make companies. It doesn't matter if you want a culture or not. You're creating a culture, and your culture may be one of tight-laced, super professional, very polished. That's okay, it's a culture. It's the culture you've decided to go with. Or it may be super laid back, messy, kind of thrown together. That's okay, it's your culture. It's what you've chosen to go with. And ours is really this place, I think, of continual learning, constant curiosity, and camaraderie or collaboration. Overused words, right? But it actually is something that we don't just put on our website, that I think we actually hire and pick and foster people doing that here, where they work really, really, really well together. And it is the most satisfying thing to watch. So as I have stepped a little bit away from maybe being on all the client projects, it's amazing to look through the glass of a conference room and see the teams, the product teams that we have here, collaborating on trying to solve problems and trying to find better ways to work together and to move a product forward, and how to address when something doesn't go perfectly, how to make it better the next time. Dan and I recorded like our teaser coming soon first podcast, which I am very excited about. We haven't come up with a name yet. I'm at decision paralysis at this point. I can't make a decision on what to call it. So we'll come up with something. We'll come up with something great. Anyways, I hope you guys are all doing awesome. I hope that you guys are finding a team of people like I have found here at Crema, that we've put around us here, of people that build each other up, that want to do great work, that care deeply about the flourishing of each other and the flourishing of the people that they're serving, their clients, their customers, people outside themselves, the generosity of that. I hope that you found that. If you haven't, I want you to maybe unpack that a little bit. Drop me a comment below. I'd love to know, what is it like? What are you and your current team kind of dealing with that's keeping you from being that team that flourishes, that being that team that really has ultimate trust and collaboration and camaraderie? Because it's really, I think I'm learning it's pretty rare to find a team that works as well as we do here at Crema. And I love it. So drop me a line, let me know what you think. As always, I'm so thankful that you watch our channel here and that you take the time to maybe just listen to a little bit of the ramblings that we have going on and what we're learning to be true about building a company, building product teams, building products, and hopefully changing lives and bettering the world. Thanks for subscribing. Be sure to put the bell on, because that's important now on YouTube. Make sure to comment about, again, what are you working on in your product teams to bring yourself closer together, or maybe just what's not going great. Hope you guys are well, and we'll talk soon. Just gonna sit by the fire. This isn't my mug.